Hello mga moms, tara, samahan niyo kami mag-grocery. Ah, malap.
Beautiful.
I love you.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm supposed to check the flowers later.
Okay.
Car wash?
I would like to get a car wash.
Maybe. What do you think?
Do you have time enough?
I have a lot of time, malap.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Sorry.
It's okay, my love.
Car wash muna. It's not busy, right?
I was busier earlier, that's why I didn't stop. Just how are you? How is your day? What are you doing? Oh,
That's good.
no, I'm not saying it's bad. I'm
You're funny.
Look at that parking job.
And there's no car in here, so it's okay. Oh, you mean that one?
Yes.
I'll put it along. Bless you. So how much is one?
I don't know. 219, I think last time.
Yeah, 219. It was 140 something. I think this is enough.
Yep. Other juice,
Oh, yogurt.
yogurt,
Where did you get the yogurt?
plain.
Yeah, the plain.
We get out of here. It's probiotic.
Oh, here I think. Here. Four. The coconut milk flavor. This one. We just ate the tilapia. Oh, there is frog. Right here.
I don't know yet.
Look at that. See this one. A frog leg?
Some?
No.
Why not?
Thank you, though. No. Getting this one. Brown. Last time I saw the small one, like this. That's enough. This one. Pauwi na tayo. So, malapit lang dito sa amin, mga 2 minuto. O, 2 minuto lang yata. Mula sa tindahan. Papuntang bahay. So, ayan ang tindahan. Tapos dito ang bahay.
Is that new?
I don't know. Bahay.
Just look different, that's all.
A few moments later.
So, mga moms, nandito na tayo sa bahay. So, iuho na natin itong pinamili namin kanina. Para malagay ko na sa fridge. Lemon. 2, 4, 6. 6 na piraso. $7. Pilipinas ay sa peso. 412 in peso. Tapos yung carrot, 2 pounds, nasa 907 grams. Ganito, $2.49 and peso 144. Yan. Huge, 4 na peraso. Yan, 4 na peraso lang. $2.23. 4 na peraso, 129. Next yung nectarine. 4 na peraso din. $7 ang 4 na peraso ng nectarine. Nasa 411. Ba't ang mahal nito? Hindi yan. Ganyan lang siya. Ganyan sa kaliit. $2.6. 153 peso. Tapos itong pickled okra. Kumuha yung asawa ko, susubukan daw. Pero hindi siya kumakain ng okra. Susubukan ko daw kung masarap. Ano siya? $6.99 sa peso 405.42. Tapos bumili din kami ng tubig. 6 na piraso na ganito. 3 liters ng isa. Yung 6 nito, 6 na piraso nito, 13.14 sa peso 622 yung 6 na ganito. So ang total ng pinang-grocery namin ay nasa $127.55. Tapos sa peso 7,397.9. Talagang may copy pa, diba? Yun lang. Sana yan. Isang linggo na yan na na grocery namin. Pero hindi pa kasali yung isda, yung chicken, yung pork. Hindi kami bumili ng karne ngayong linggo kasi meron pa kaming stock sa freezer. Inuubos muna namin yung stock bago bibili ng panibagong i-stock sa freezer para hindi masyadong luma. Tsaka hindi na kami masyadong kumakain ng especially yung baka. Ayun ang talaga, iniiwasan namin. Yun, lagi na lang kaming manok, isda, tsaka yung pork na walang taba. Yun lang. Thank you sa pagsama. Sa susunod ulit. Bye!